comfortable, just going to set this up here. So the intention for me this morning is to lead you through a guided meditation. This is going to be a presencing meditation, so we'll use the hands as an anchor throughout. If you feel like I've been quiet for a long time, don't come out of your meditation yet. There will be pauses of silence. That is kind of the idea. And if you think that it's like your connection or something, if it's been too long, it's probably fine. I'm here for you, watching the time. So we'll meditate for between 10 and 15 minutes. I just wanted to talk to, if you're somebody that is a beginner, that is new to meditation out there, making sure that you're comfortable is a really big part of it. So, I have the whole setup here with pillows and Zafu, Zambutan, all these things that I invested in years ago when my meditation practice had really kind of taken hold of me. And you do not need all fancy cushions and everything like that. It's really just about finding a seated position that's comfortable, right? And it can be on a couch, it can be in a chair. If you're sitting on the floor, like I have knee issues. So for me, when I get comfortable, really, really helps for me to have some pillows just to prop up underneath my knees to give me, giving me a little bit of comfort there. Getting your hips up higher than your knees can be helpful. Sitting on a block or sitting on something can help with that as well. So just little things. That's really the first thing. We're going to meditate, right? So take a few moments to be really intentional in setting up your seat and setting up just a comfortable position in your body. Okay, so do that right now. I'll give you a moment. Like the intention for you right now is to be in a comfortable seated position and also to feel fully aware and alive right here. Use your body as a measure for your experience. Feel what you feel, hear what you hear, see what you see right now. Just move and adjust your position as needed. If your knees are higher than your hips, like I said, it can get a bit achy sometimes. So propping yourself up and really just move with purpose to get yourself in an intentional seat. And you'll close your eyes. And start to funnel your awareness down your arms, through your elbows, down your forearms, into your hands. Keep your awareness in your hands, your palms, your thumbs, first finger, second fingers, third fingers, your baby fingers. Shift your focus from one finger to another as a method of anchoring and centering you here. Keep your attention on your hands as a bridge from your awareness to your body. They're an anchor to the now here moment. If at any time you notice yourself drifting off into thinking, simply bring your attention back to your hands. As you will hold your attention on your hands, notice if they start to tingle. Where your attention goes, energy tends to flow. Your hands are a grounding point for your consciousness in the here and now. As thoughts come up, notice them and let them go. Let them come up and let them go. Put your attention on your hands. Let your thoughts come up and let them go. Experience the power of reconnecting to your hands and beginning again, moment by moment by moment. Keep your attention on your hands and be newly anchored in the now here moment, newly available to the moment. Gently bring your hands to Anjali Mudra at your heart center. Together, we will take one full Om. Deep breath in. Bring your thumbs to the center of your forehead. Let today be a whole new experience of presence for you. Together we bow and we say, Namaste. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're here with me right now on the live stream, stick around. Please chat and let me know how you like that. If maybe one of your first times meditating, maybe you're a seasoned meditator. If you're joining me later on after this was filmed, really the biggest thing I know that shifted my meditation practice was just kind of letting go of what my expectation of it was. I think that's huge, right? And like, it doesn't matter if you sit for 1 minute, if you sit for 20 minutes, finding time in your day to be still is kind of the point, right? And I know for me, it started being, it was like 10-minute guided meditations on YouTube during a really challenging time in my life was how I found meditation. But then really throughout the years, it's kind of been this ebb and flow. Sometimes I'm meditating regularly every day for 30 minutes and other times it falls away, right? And it's just trying to make the time in your day, even for a minute of breathing with that anchoring of your hands on your legs, feeling the connection, your feet on the ground. 5 breaths like that can be a miracle for clearing your mind and just getting present. Yeah. So thank you for meditating with me today. If you like this, please comment below in the video and I can do some more meditation videos if that's something that you guys are looking for. Okay. So thank you again. I'm going to come check the chat. Have an awesome rest of your day. Awesome. Thanks, ladies. Pleasure, Marta. Thanks, Jen. I appreciate the feedback. Yeah, no, I mean, again, I've just started this Fit to Lead program, right? So meditation is a huge component of Baptiste methodology, and if I'm being honest, I've definitely let meditation slip away, especially in the way it's been present in my life in the past. So something really big about just bringing it back in, right? Like I say, like a minute is better than 0 minutes. So getting present, getting still. I'm gonna cut it off here. Thank you guys for joining me this morning. I really appreciate it, you ladies. I don't know if there's any guys out there, but you ladies. And yeah, I struggle with it too, Jen. So again, just like acknowledge yourself for even sitting down for like a minute and taking 10 deep breaths, because that I know for me can be a huge miracle for clearing the mind. Yeah. Amazing. So you found the time today. So acknowledge yourself for that. Yeah. And I'll see you soon. Subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share it with somebody that you think needs to meditate, or maybe don't tell them in that way. But yeah, I'll have an awesome day. I'll see you.